Hello, dear students. I hope you're doing very well and attending all the online classes regularly. So, in the previous class, that is on the online class, I have discussed about the numbers, that is, the types of numbers, isn't it? Natural numbers, whole numbers, rational numbers, integers. What is integers? Yes, that is positive and negative numbers, and even fractions. And I said that the fraction type of numbers are called as rational numbers. So now today I will start your first chapter, that is playing with numbers. Playing with numbers. Okay. So in this topic, the playing with numbers, let us start this chapter with a simple game. That is, let us play with the numbers. So we already know the digit 8. We already know the digit 8. So now there is a puzzle. Use 8 for the 8 times. 8 times. And make it to 1000. And make it to 1000. Come on, think of it. Use 8 for the 8 times and make it to 1000. You can do anything. You can add, you can subtract, you can multiply, you can divide, or you can arrange the numbers in any order. The only task here is to bring it to 1000. Okay, try this. This is a small game and a trick. Think of it. Okay. Think it, try to answer it. And in somewhere in the video, I will give you the hint and the trick how to solve that. So, before starting the topic, I would like to discuss one more topic, that is Badmash rule. You can say it is a Badmash rule. If an American call it as a Badmash, how he will pronounce? He will call it as a Bodmas, right? They can't pronounce like a Badmash and they will pronounce it like a Bodmas. So let us see that Bodmas rule. Bodmas rule. B stands for brackets, and of, D for division, M for and M stands for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. Okay, everyone knows what is brackets, what is division, what is multiplication and addition and subtraction. So what is the BODMAS rule then? We already know brackets, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. But what is BODMAS rule? That is the priority. That is the priority. So if you have a set of numbers, like for example 2 into 3 plus 4, I am taking an example. First, what we have to, according to BODMAS rule, what is first? B is first, right? So we have to, you can say bracket off or you can say bracket open. So bracket open, we are going to open a bracket here first. First, you cannot add 3 plus 4. First you have to solve the brackets, that is 2 3 is a 6. When you multiplied within the bracket, everything within the bracket has been solved and you have opened the bracket. You are no more going to write the bracket. Okay, you are no more going to write a bracket. So plus 4. Now 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. Similarly, I will take one more example to explain you how the BODMAS works. 2 plus 3 into 4 divided by 4 minus 3. So how we are going to solve this equation? How we are going to solve this equation? Generally what we will see is first, okay, we have a 2 plus 3 is 5, then into 4 divided by 4 minus 3, right? First we have solved 2 plus 3. Then we will try that 5 4s are 20 divided by 4 minus 3. Then 20 divided by 4 is 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. This is how generally we interpret the equation, right? No, but according to BODMAS rule, this is not the right way to solve the any inline equations. Inline in the sense all the equation is only in the single line, all the operators and numbers are only in the single line. Such equations are called as inline equations. So that is not the way of solving what I have done now. This is not the way of solving. Listen me properly. The way I solved now is not the right way of solving. According to BODMAS rule, how we have to solve? What is the equation? 2 plus 3 into 4 divided by 4 minus 3. This is the equation I took, right? So BODMAS rule. Bracket open. Do we have any brackets in the equation? No. If there were the brackets, first we would have solved from the brackets. Next one is bracket open. After that we have a D. D means division. Do we have anywhere division Yes, we have 4 divided by 4. So the first preference for the solving should be given to 4 divided by 4. So what is 4 divided by 4, students? 2 plus 3 into 4 divided by 4 is 1. Then minus 3 I have written here. So after the BODMAS rule, after this, divisions over? Yes. What is the next term? M. M stands for multiplication. Is there anywhere multiplication in the equation? Yes, here we have. So the next preference is multiplication. 2 plus 3 ones are 3. Then minus 3 we are writing. And addition and subtraction both comes in the same level. You can add first or you can subtract first. There is no condition here. But for all the other terms you have a condition. First brackets, division, multiplication, then you can do addition or subtraction. It's left to us. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Or you can take 3 minus 3 is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2 itself. So both the ways, if you do subtraction or addition, the answer is 2 only. This is your BODMAS rule. Okay. Now coming to the textbook, first the numbers in general form. Numbers in general form. So let us take a number that is 25. If you place a number, you people already know that this place is called as ones place, or you can call this as a unit place. The next one is tens place. So 25, where you will be writing the 25? The 5 you will be writing in ones place, and the 2 you will be writing in tens place, right? So the general form of this number is tens place, 2 tens are, so 25, this is can be written as 20 plus 5, isn't it? 25, that is 20 plus 5, that is 25. So this 20 can be written as 2 into 10 plus 5. So this is the generalized form of a number. So how you will be writing the 25? 20 plus 5. 2 into 10, that is 20 plus 5. This is the general form of a number. Now let us take one more number, that is 129. So if you give the places for these numbers, what are the places? Ones, tens and hundreds. 9 will comes in ones place, 2 will be in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place. So how you will write this general form of 129? 129 is equals to 129, 129. So it is 100 plus 20 plus 9, isn't it? 129. So the generalized form is 1 into 100, 100 plus 2 into 10, that is 2 tens are 20, plus 9. This is the generalized form of a number. Understood, dear students? If you have a no numbers and if you have alphabet representing the numbers, if you have alphabets representing a numbers, for example, if AB is a number, AB is a 2-digit number. Listen to me carefully. 2-digit number. So how you will be writing this? AB, if you allocate the places for this, ones, tens, the B will come in ones place and the A will come in tens place. So what is the general form of this number? AB is equals to, A is in which place? Tens place, that is A into 10, plus B is in ones place, that is B. You can say B into 1 because ones place. So in A into 10 is 10A plus B ones are B, 10A plus B. This is the general form of a number if you have the numbers in alphabetical form. That's all. Let me take 3-digit alphabetical form and try that. If A, B, C is a how many digit number? 3-digit number. Okay. So how you will place this? A, B, C. If you allocate the places for that numbers, ones, tens, hundreds, the C comes in ones place, the B comes in tens place, and the 100 comes in A comes in 100 place. So the general form of ABC number, that is 3-digit number, is A is in which place? 100 place, A into 100. B is in which place? Tens place, B into 10. And the C is in which place? Ones place, C into 1. So now A into 100 is 100A plus B into 10 is 10B and C ones are C. So this is the general form of your 3-digit numbers. So now continuation. That is writing the generalized form number into a usual form. Generalized form into a usual form. So let us consider the first number which is already in generalized form, that is 10 into 5 plus 6. So this is a generalized form. So what we have to do first, according to Bodmer's rule, that is multiplication. 5 tens are 50 plus 6, which is equals to 50 plus 6 is 56. Let's see what happens if we don't follow the Bodmer's rule. 10 into it is 10 into 5 plus 6 plus 6. So if we add this, what happens? 5 plus 6 is 11. 10 11s are 110. See the difference, right? So this is according to Bodmer's rule. This is generally what we have done. So always follow Bodmer's rule. That is the right way of interpretation. Next, one more example for writing a generalized number into a usual number. Example, 100 into A plus 10 into C plus B. So A into 100 is 100A plus 10 into C is 10C plus B into 1 is B. So in which place the 100A is? In the ones place is B, tens place is C, 100 place is A. So the usual form is A, C, B. See students, this is only for the representation of the general form of the numbers. If we consider the real addition of A, B, C as a 100A plus 10C plus B, in some other expressions we call mathematical expressions where the real addition of this is not possible, because we call them as a unlike terms where addition is not at all possible. Remember this very well. This is just to represent the numbers in a generalized form to usual, usual form to general form when we are using the alphabets. Such addition is not possible in the expressions. What expressions, mathematical expressions is, you will be learning in further chapters. Okay. Here these hundreds and this in this type of generalized form, they only represent the places, not actual the value of the number. Next, there is a game in your textbook. Let us play it and understand. So, come on students, let's play a game. That is, come on everyone, take any 2-digit number. 2-digit number. Come on. Keep that number in your hearts. Come on, take 2-digit number. And don't tell it to anyone. Don't tell it to your friends or don't tell it to anyone. Play this game. Come on, play this game. Take your parents or your brothers, your sisters along with you and try to play this game. Okay? Come on, everyone. Take 2-digit number. I am taking a 2-digit number also. I am also taking a 2-digit number. So I am taking a 2-digit number, that is 23. Okay, the step 1 is take a 2-digit number, any number. I am taking 23. All right, now reverse that number. Reverse the above number. So 23, if you reverse it, it becomes 32. That is the step 2. Okay, everyone, come on. Did? Yes. So first, what you have to ask your friends or your parents, just to take 2-digit numbers, not to tell you. Then tell them to reverse that number. In the step 2, tell them to reverse that number. For example, if it is 23, then it will become 32. If it is 12, then it becomes 21. If it is 96, then it becomes 69. In the step 3, ask them to subtract the smaller number from the larger number. So comparing these two numbers, which is the larger? 32 is the larger, minus 23 is the smaller number. 32 is the larger number and minus 23 is the smaller number. So from the bigger number, ask them to subtract the smaller number. Still they don't have to tell you the answer. Still they don't have to tell you the answer. Tell them not to tell any answer to you. Yes, they have done the step 3. Now in the step 4, what is the answer after subtracting this? 32 minus 23. Come on, tell me the student. Come on, yes, 9. Now, they don't have to tell you the answer. Tell them, divide the result, whatever it is. It might be 9, it might be 18, it might be 27, it might be 45, it might be 54, anything. Tell them to divide that number, divide that result number by 9. Ask them for the remainder. Ask them for the remainder. So surely they will tell you the remainder is 0. The remainder is 0. So in the fast forward, let us take one more number. In the step 1, I will take a 96. Okay. Step 2, I will reverse, that is 69. In the step 3, subtract the smaller number from the larger number, that is 96 minus 69. So what is the remainder? What is the answer after subtracting? Come on. 96 minus 69. Seven. Here 8 minus 6, that is 2. That is 27. In the step 4, ask them to divide it with 9. That is 27 divided by 9. Okay. So 27, if you divide it by 9, 9 3s are 27, 00. So what is the remainder again? 00. Got it? Okay. Play this game with your parents today or your friends today. So coming back to the first puzzle, what I asked you people, use 8 for the 8 times and make it 1000. Try it on your own. If you know the answer, send me to my WhatsApp. For the people who don't know, I will tell that hint and the solution in the next class. Okay? Thank you. Have a great day. Enjoy yourself.